In 2014, BreeCS ushered in an easier alternative, making time and attendance, reporting and integration more coherent and more streamlined. With BreeCS Cloud, all data collected on site can be effortlessly collated and uploaded to the cloud. BreeCS has been implemented across the United Kingdom and European Union, along with integration partners Paxton Access, Suprema, Hikvision, Ievo, Genie Verdi, Elysian Sludge, and CSCS. As a security professional, this offers you a wide range of biometric integrations. Suprema Face Station 2, Suprema Face Station F2, Suprema Face Light, Suprema BioLite N2, Suprema BioEntry W2, Hikvision Minmo, Ievo Ultimate Reader, Verdi AC2000 SC Series, Verdi AC5000 SC Series, Elysian Handkey 2. With BreeCS Pre-Enrolment, registration couldn't be simpler. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. BreeCS also offers live real-time events, an automatic and manual barring system, along with drugs and alcohol screening amongst many other functions. Extensive reporting allows you to rapidly filter through the total number of people on site at any given time, including fire wardens, trained first aiders, operatives by company, soon-to-expire or expired CSCS card users, and more. The fire roll call option allows you to quickly and safely evacuate all personnel to the assembly point and can set all turnstiles to spin freely. This information can be amalgamated into a single report and exported and emailed automatically.